Hey guys, Sam from BBQ here, and today we're doing smoked corn on the cob on the Pit Boss pellet grill. So let's get into it. Okay, so I've got the Pit Boss pellet grill set up to 205 degrees Celsius, and I've got my corn, it's still in the husks. I haven't trimmed it, haven't done anything. Pretty simple, this recipe. So all I'm gonna do is put it straight on the grill, and I'm going to leave it there for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll come back and check on it then. Corn on the cob has been smoking now at 205 degrees for 20 minutes, and they're looking good. They're starting to a little bit of char on the bottom, a bit on the top, but the husks all nice and papery, so they're about done. So we'll get them off the grill and take them inside. Okay, so here we have our cooked corn, and to eat these or serve them, all I'm going to do is cut off the I guess the bush end, I don't know what you call that end. Cut right through, and we can throw that away. And all of the husk will now just pull off, and so should all of that, the silk. Careful, it is very hot. But yeah, all the silk will just come away with that husk. And then all I'm going to do on that, the hot smoked corn, put a little bit of butter. So I just cut off a little bit, cube it up a bit, just rub the butter all over the top of it, sit on the bottom if you want. And then it's got all that butter. Then on top of that, I'm just going to put some of this Raptor Naturals. This is the lamb and vegetable rub, but if you've got a herb rub that you like using, favorite barbecue rub, whatever, I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of that on and just rub it all over. Put a little bit on the back. Get that butter, rub it in. That's it. Pretty simple, really delicious side. But that would go great with any steak. Just awesome. So now we'll give this a taste. That's real good. A little bit of that smoke in there. That rub and the butter, just so good. And as I say, super easy. Okay, so the smoked corn on the cob turned out absolutely awesome. Like nice and buttery, a little bit of smoke in there, super tender. That corn really sweet. And with the butter and the herbs, just really nice. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, that way you won't miss out on any future videos, and we'll see you again next time.